Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR gaming PC featuring GeForce RTX 5060 setup. But before we jump in, don't forget to check the link below to get yours today at the best discounted price. This system packs a Core i5-1340OF 2.5 GHz base paired with the RTX 5060A40 GPU. A solid combo for 1080p and 1440p gaming. Backed by 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, it loads games and handles multitasking with ease. In real-world play, this rig tackles modern AAA titles like Horizon, Assassin's Creed, or Forza on high to ultra settings with smooth frame rates. The RTX 5060 offers ray tracing support and works well with DLSS to maintain performance without sacrificing image quality. Thermal management is respectable for this tier. The chassis airflow design keeps temperatures in check under load, and noise levels are modest, nothing that distracts you while gaming or streaming. On the connectivity side, you get Wi-Fi-ready motherboard, multiple USB ports, USB-A and USB-C, Ethernet, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, ready for your headset, secondary monitor, and gaming accessories. The system ships with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, so you're ready to game right away. Upgrade potential is decent. You can add more storage, upgrade the GPU later, or bump up RAM if needed. Overall, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR gaming PC with i5 and RTX 5060 is a balanced, future-proof gaming machine that delivers strong performance for its price. Check the link below now to score yours at the best price before stocks run out.